Hello Hungry fam, my name is Akansha and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to test the most requested Halloween hacks and check if they are real or fake. Before starting the video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at @hungerplans. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. For the first hack, I'm cutting one hard-boiled egg in half. Keep the other half aside. Now using a nozzle, I'm trying and cutting out a hole, which was a huge task. So I'm using a knife instead to do so. Keep the egg aside. Cut one green olive in half. I'm using the stuffed olive, so I'm removing the inside. Now I'm cutting a small edge of the black olive. Place the cut out black olive on the center of the green olive. And place this in the hole we made inside the egg. Fits perfectly. Now I'm making blood veins using a brush and watery red food color. I guess it will make it look fresh. Place the eyeball, the egg eyeball we made in the center of any soup. I'm using tomato soup like that video. Wow, that looks extremely creepy. Anyone will definitely freak out if you serve this soup to them. It looks super real to me and I don't know why I was feeling as if someone is actually looking at me. Also, let me know in the comment section if you have any spooky or scary story. I would love to read it. Coming back to the spooky hack, it was a big hit. For the next hack, in a bowl I'm adding half cup of strawberry flavor mix, 1 tablespoon wet gelatin powder, 1/4 cup of very hot water. Mix it. Then I'm adding 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Mix it all together. I tried to find the same bendable plastic straws, but clearly plastic is banned here, so I couldn't find them. And this one I got from the Nariyal Pani wala. So transfer the jelly mixture into it. Okay, the mixture is seeping out of the straw, so I tried again with paper straws. I just sealed the bottom with olive so that the mixture doesn't seep out. Fill the straws completely with the mixture and now let it set for half an hour. Honestly, I have no hopes with this, but let's see. Remove the jelly mixture using a rolling pin. Okay, surprisingly the paper straw worked and it looks like worms. I didn't expect that at all. That's why I didn't make the chocolate pudding, but it's fine. I'm spreading out the Oreo crumbs, which will represent the dirt. Place the worms very carefully over the dirt we made and just look at that. It actually looks very creepy and very similar to worm. Honestly, I just hate worms and this is creeping me out, but still I'm going to taste it. Wow, the taste of the strawberry jelly with Oreo crumbs is really nice. The combination surprisingly goes well together. Though in my mind I'm feeling like I'm eating actual worms with dirt. So definitely this hack works and it was a success. For the next hack, I couldn't find the brie cheese they used in their video. So I just have a block of processed cheese. I'm going to cut it in the shape of a coffin using a sharp knife. Looks good to me. The next step is only for visual purpose and to recreate the exact video like them. It's definitely not to offend or hurt anyone. So just watch and enjoy this whole spooky, weird, creepy video. For the witch broom, cut a cheese slice in half and place it on a plastic or else the cheese gets stuck to the table. Now give slits like so at a distance. And place a breadstick on one side. Roll the cheese slice and wrap the breadstick. Tie it with a spring onion and keep it aside. Now for the eyes, it looks like they used a mixture of cheese. So instead I'm cutting out a small round of processed cheese. I'm using a nozzle to do it. Place a small cut black olive in between half cut green olive like we did for the soup and press the cheese round a bit so that it looks more natural. Place the olives over it. Poke a toothpick into it. Again, I'm going to paint it with the red food color. Not gonna lie, it looks like actual eyeballs. Now let's assemble the cheese board. Place the witch brooms and eyeballs around the cheese coffin. Wow, looks exactly like the video to me. Very spooky and very weirdly innovative. The taste is straight up cheese with olives and garlic breadstick, which is good. It is a great way to serve your cheese board for a Halloween party. The decoration hack totally works. It's very easy, very creepy, so that was a success. For the next hack, I have a muffin. Rather, this is the Mawa cake from Mervans. I'm applying whipped cream over it. I mixed 1 drop of red food color with 2 drops of yellow food color to get this pinkish skin color. Now I'm going to decorate it. I'm giving it a brain kind of shape. Make 2 lines in the center and make zigzag lines on either sides. Then I'm painting blood veins using red food color. Looks quite spooky to me and it's very similar to their video. It's very easy to decorate, requires very less ingredients, tastes amazing. This hack was a success. For the next hack, in melted white chocolate, I added green gel food color. Mix it. I couldn't find pretzel sticks, so I'm using the same breadsticks as the broom one. Dip the breadsticks in the melted chocolate. I'm also going to tilt the glass and coat the breadsticks very well. Place it on a silicone mat. I'm placing sliced almonds at the tip. Make fine lines using a fork. Let it set for 5 minutes. And your fingers are ready. Amongst all the hacks we did today, this was a bit okay. It doesn't exactly look like fingers, but they are not that bad. The almonds definitely look like nails. I would say it resembles 20% to a finger. It's not very spooky or scary, but yes, it works. So this hack was a success. For the next hack, I've lined a tray with baking paper. Pour melted white chocolate into it. Form an even layer by tapping it. Now using a piping bag, I'm going to pipe out dark chocolate. I'm making random lines. I don't know why the dark chocolate was getting set very fast. It's not even cold here. Anyways, now I'm making small lines which should resemble stitches. Clearly the chocolate is not my friend today. So I was melting it after every 30 seconds. It's quite decent now. I'm going to make eyes and nose on each section. Let it set for 15 to 20 minutes in the refrigerator. Let's divide and break it. Okay, it wasn't breaking, so I broke it on a glass and कुछ ज़्यादा ही छोटे pieces हो गए, but it's fine. I've arranged it on a plate and looks okay now. Not exactly like Ghost, but a smaller, cuter version of Ghost. It kind of reminds me of the Casper movie जो हमें school में दिखाया था. Comment below if you ever heard of that movie. This hack is very time taking and you need to be very delicate to make the lines. I'm not an artist, so I tried my best to make fine lines. But it turned out decent. It definitely works, so this hack was a success. Today all the decoration hacks were a success, so definitely give them a try and let me know your feedback. Today's shout out goes to Kanav Bhardwaj, Sushri Sangeeta Pradhan, Kamya Chandnani, Ananya Jagtap and Pushpa. If you want to shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.